marketing. Today, we are actually bringing to you another edition of our 100X series, and that this project is called Carbon Browser. So, what is Carbon Browser all about? Carbon Browser is a free open source web browser developed by Carbon X Labs based on custom forks of Chromium web browser and its powerful Blink engine. Carbon is a privacy focused browser which automatically block online ads and website trackers by default. Carbon browser loads Web3 pages 3 times faster, save 95% of user data, and provides smooth browsing even with weak connection, all while taking up to 57% less space on your device. So you can get Carbon browser on iOS, Mac OS, or PC. You can also get it on Android. So these are strategic investors on the Carbon browser. We have the BNB chain, the Pool Ventures, and the Trust Swap. So these are the core developers. So you can see this is the lead in the senior engineer, the lead developer, the blockchain. So now, one of the things is that since the team did not show their real face, I'm not too comfortable with the team. But one of the good thing I'm bringing this project back to you is the fact that this project, the team of this project are building an amazing product. So what does this get learn, right? This is get.io learn. So what does it what do they say about Carbon browser? So you already know about this. I already explained in the previous slide, right? So what's the history of Carbon browser? Carbon browser was founded in 2018 as superfast browser. Its developer are mostly pseudonymous. Pseudonym means that they use these unidentified names, right? So that means of pseudonymous. So and that's why I'm not comfortable because they don't use their real names. So they are mostly pseudonymous. By but they are said to have working experience with giant tech like Google, Microsoft, Mozilla, and Dell. The Carbon browser was developed in collaboration with Binance, Curate, and Pool Venture, and the application has achieved over 7 million downloads since its launch. While the application is currently available only in the Android, the browser, iOS, and PC will be released later. So, and this was done around February. The iOS is already available. So, how does Carbon browser work? So, let's look at what we call the futures of Carbon browser. So, what are the features of Carbon browser? Now, Carbon browser is powered by the CS the six token, a decentralized browser designed for Web3, right? So, it has the these are the what we call the features. One, speed and security. So we have first Carbon browser is the fastest Web3 browser, and the only second browser that is close to it is Safari, the Apple version of a browser. That's the only the app that's second to it when it comes to speed. And it has native token integration, which means that it is made in a way that you can actually integrate your crypto wallet to the browser and be able to have what we call a seamless digital experience, right? So it also supports atomic swaps and staking service, making a gateway to decentralized application and the metaverse. And then it also does what we call ad blocks. So we are an ad marketplace. Carbon browser features robust ad blocking system, which means that when you're using Carbon browser, they don't show you ads like they do it on Chrome. They don't show you ads like you're using on other websites. So a Carbon browser blocks ads from being shown to you. And then we have VPN and firewall. So the browser has integrated VPN and firewall services, ensuring that your privacy is secure. People cannot know your location whenever you're using the browser. If you're using the Carbon browser, you are encrypted, and means that people cannot know where you are located. If I'm actually browsing from my location, you can be able to know where I am from my IP address. But with Carbon browser, people will not be able to know where you are. That's because the browser is meant for that privacy, to be able to protect your data and your security in the online space. Carbon browser also has what we call play to earn. So user can earn rewards in the form of SIS token while browsing, which can be spent on growing partner network, including NFT charities and many others. So you can do this without necessarily having a KYC system or without doing a KYC. And the last one is the Carbon Premium. And Carbon Premium offers advanced features such as VPN on decentralized VPN firewalls alongside 24-hour support. The provision is only accessible through a subscription model using what we call the Carbon token. So this is what we call the Carbon browser net and the page. This is the website. You can download it right now. So one of the things is that Carbon browser is now available on Chrome. It now has a Chrome extension, and this is the browser. This is how the browser looks like. So you can be able to see. Uh, Now we have Carbon browser was built for better security, Web3 ready, 3 times faster than the available browsers. We have superior ad blocks. We have bottom toolbar, and we have you get rewards. You get paid for using the with the Carbon browser. So it is supported on all devices, be it Android, be it iPhone or iOS, they call it PC and so on. So it has over 7 million downloads, 62,000 daily users, and over 25 million dollars by the time this was recorded. So these are the feature. And it has ad blocks. This is the feature again. We have free VPN. We have a crypto wallet attached to the browser. We have what we call it is decentralized, and you can use the native token. You can earn the native token while browsing. So this is we have what we call the crypto wallet that's built in your favorite Web3. So this is how the crypto wallet looks like. So you can see the crypto wallet looks like this on the Carbon browser, on the Carbon browser website. So why should you choose Carbon browser? So it takes up to 0.5 seconds to load. Google and Chrome takes 2.25 per second. Opera takes 3 seconds, 3.05 seconds, and Brave browser takes 2 point something seconds. So it has a VPN attached to it. We have ad blocks and so on. So you realize that these are the advantages of Carbon browser over this other wallet. So you can actually really see more. Now there are many other we have other product of Carbon browser such as aside from the swap that you can use the browser to swap, there's Carbon Ventures, which shows the project that the carbon this company is launching or is investing in. And we also have what we call Carbon Launchpad. With the Carbon Launchpad, projects are being incubated using using the Carbon Launchpad, right? This one is yet to be launched, so we'll not talk about it today. So this is a Carbon browser. We are back Web3 founders and invest in their ideas. So this is it. These are projects that they have invested in. They have invested in um 21 projects already invested with 7+ experience. So we have here Mirada, decentralized artificial intelligence. We have Leafy protocol. We have Lightlink. So those are some of the projects that they have invested in. So this is what we call the Carbon shop, right? So Carbon merchandise store. So you can see this is what we call the $75 for this. We have $40 and that. So this is the Carbon merchandise. So these are their best selling product. So you can see Carbon browser is actually really having an amazing product. So what is the token economics of this project? What is the token economics? So the token, and we have a maximum supply of 1 billion token. We have a total supply of 399, I mean 939,557,180. We have it is on BSC, it is on that's BP20, it is on ELC20, and then that is how it was. This is what we call the schedule, right? So you can be able to see this in this description here and see the color here. And we have here the allocation. 8% was for seed investor, 9% was for public launchpad, 3% was for liquidity on pancake swap, and we have team 1.9%, marketing 24%, development 24%, and many others. So we have that's it. Now, this is the utility of the Carbon token, right? Carbon token utility. You need to upgrade to Carbon Pro. You can use it for governance and DAO voting. We have DAO proposal. We have stake and earn rewards. We have pay gas fees on LDX, LGX fee, and we have buy ads on Carbon browser with that. So this is a Carbon Pro browser, as you can see, and this is the Carbon ecosystem. So the Carbon ecosystem, you can actually see the ADX, Carbon Pro, and switch and swaps of wraps, so bridge, staking, marketing tax, browsing rewards. We have burns, rewards, governance token. So those are actually what we have. Now, what's the roadmap of Carbon browser? So we are in Q3. We are at the end of Q3. So we have Carbon browser and browse to end launch with tokenized reward, crypto browser launch out across all platforms. So these are what we're working on. And next in the next Q4 of this year, this is 2024, we have the beta version of the Carbon Pro beta launch. We have the play to end goes into full launch. And then we have new marketing campaigns integrating with Going Gecko, PRO, Cap companies, and Cure and calls. We have new decentralized exchange listing and new centralized exchange listing. So we are expecting a new centralized exchange listing in Q4, and then Q1 of 2025. So we have the launch of the art marketplace beta launch. We have the account arbitrage and beta launch of the ceased to be utilized on pay gas fees, and then we have new perpetual listing for that. So these are what they are actually really working on. So what is the revenue stream of this? So we have targeted sponsors, we have integrated fees, marketing fund, we have Carbon browser ad marketplace, we have Carbon Pro and NFT royalties. So you subscribe for Carbon Pro, we have affiliate results, and then we have set suggestions. So you can actually really see this Carbon browser is available on iOS and also available on this. Now with Carbon, the about 61 million token has got means 61.9 million token has actually been burned. So it's approximately 52 million Carbon browser token has been burned. This is actually really massive. 62 million has been burned. So these are what we call their staking pool. So we have you can earn 8% per annum staking your Carbon browser. So let's look at what they call their social media. What's their social media all about? So this is a Carbon browser website. They have over 200, and this is their X page. They have 254 followers on X. So join our 7 million users, faster Web3 browser, and we have AI powered decentralized ad block, better privacy Carbon browser sponsored by the Sys token. So you can see here, this was posted 5 hours ago, and it's talking about the over 62 million token bond. We have upcoming major grant and announcement, over 25,000 holders, 7.5 million daily trading volume, completed order by static and chain sorting. We have over 200 integrating partners, live swap, bridge platform, launchpad ventures, and we have 70,000 users earned 700 and 750 tokens with Carbons and plate browse to end futures. So those are some of the this thing you can see. This was now these are people who are investors in this project talking about. So Carbon is simply retweeting uh these posts, right? So Carbon is simply retweeting the post. You can see what they are talking about here. Carbon retweeting. So let me actually look at what, okay, this was Carbon's last post here, 25th of August. We can see here, but the rest are retweet. So we have done missed the full send action of that. So all what they have been doing is retweet. So the rest is that they have been retweeting the the posts of different influencers who have been talking about the Carbon browser. Now let's look at media mention. Media mention, a lot of people, I think, Beanstalk They actually did this video about 5 months ago talking about the carbon browser. And we have this lady talk about saying that CoinGecko actually made a video about 2 months ago. We have um University of Crypto made a video about 8 months ago. So they have a good major mention on their token, and I'm also making a video on Carbon browser. So what do you think about it? What do you think? 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 Carbon browser is here to stay. So this is what called the technical of Carbon browser. It ran right up to 11. I think uh, that was 1.2 cents. It went right up to about 12 cents. That was 10x, and then now it plunged down. It's around 2.3 cents right now, and we are actually experiencing, from the look of things, if it closes above this, because this is a weekly time frame. It started this way by going down. If this week closes above this one, and then we expect that we should start seeing some correction, right? We should start seeing some correction to the upside. So let's look at the current market capital is $9.5 million. The fully diluted market is equals to um $22 million, and then we have over 5 point something million trading volume. This is circulating supply, 393,625,000 tokens. So if carbon was to hit 100x, which is going to be about $2.4, 10x is going to be $0.2, and 2 from point now will be 100x. How much will it be? So it's going to give us 90 90 million is going to give us 10x, and then approximately 900 million is going to give us um 100, exactly 100x. So for us to hit 100x, it should be around one what we call one 900 million, 900 million, 900 yeah, 900 million, something around that area. So now let me add this. I said that each time we are going to launch a project on my anytime that we have a project that's going to 100x risk, I'm going to add it on my 100x portfolio. So let me add this project on my 100x portfolio so that we can actually really track the performance to see if it's able to hit this 100x I'm talking about. So I didn't just want to talk about 100x. Let me be practical about it. So you can actually really go through, you can see the white paper here. You can join the Telegram group here, and you can go to the white paper. Click here to go to the white paper and see what the white paper or this project is talking about. This is the website. I already mentioned about the website already here, and there are a couple of things that are to be done. So a lot is going on with the project, and I really believe that this project are based on their activity. They are actually really building a great product here, and it's something that I think that you should take your time and look into it as well. So it's an amazing point. Now, the my network is actually really disturbing. I'm going to add this later. So I'm going to add 200 and $250 of this token in my portfolio. So in case I'm not able to do it live on this, know that I've added it on my portfolio because my network is not actually good. So please subscribe and like on my YouTube channel. We have 115 subscribers on the YouTube channel. I've uploaded 14 videos, and so this is the number 15 videos. So like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. See you in our next video.